This is Abdul Malik Hashmi, and you are watching my YouTube channel. Rajkor, the first Samadhi that exists in the vicinity of Islamia College civil lines, is the tomb of Maharani Rajkor. She was the second wife of Ranjit Singh. She had to change her name as the mother of Maharaja Ranjit Singh had the same name. So she came to call Rani Datar Kaur, who the Maharaja lovingly called Mai Nakai after her father Sardar Ran Singh Nakai. Mai Nakai was the mother of Maharaja Khadak Singh.
You see they're royal, they've got attendants beside them, and both of them have fly whisks, which are symbols of royalty. And on the right is Khadak Singh. He's the eldest son of Maharaja Ranjit Singh and his Ranjit Singh's successor.
And the grandmother of the Sikh Hotspur, Prince Nonehal Singh.
This painting is sitting opposite him, and they look very much like a family at ease with itself, but clearly they were not.
Mai Nakai died on the 20th of June 1838. The Samadhi was damaged badly by the British as they set off to build their police lines next to the district court of Lahore. Videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.